Ramanuja and his disciples moving towards the Western Ghats. They had to walk through forest and they had to cross the rivers, and it was shivering cold and raining, so they became very tired, and at one place they were lying down. The hunters of that place, they saw them, they were looking at them, and they found they were Brahmins. So they went around and collected all the fruits and yam and honey and offered to them. After eating these, the disciples became better. Then there was a conversation between the hunters and the disciples. The hunters asked the disciples, "Who are you all? From where are you all coming?" Then the disciples said, "We are all from Tiruvarangam." Then immediately the hunters asked, "Then how is our Acharyan, Sri Ramanuja?" The disciples found, they were so surprised to hear it from them, because they are all living far away from Tiruvarangam. How come they know about Sri Ramanuja? Then they asked, "How do you know?" Then the hunters said, "We know Ramanuja through our Acharyan Tirumalai Nallan. He did Panchasamskaram to us, and he told us, he explained what all Ramanuja did for Sri Vaishnavism. So we know about Ramanuja." Then they showed Ramanuja, because Ramanuja was there with them. These hunters felt very happy, they felt very fortunate to have the darshan of Ramanuja. Then they helped them to go to the next village where they could have food. There was a Brahmin couple living, so they arranged for that. So one of the hunters leading them to the next village. So they are moving to Vanni Pushkarani. Then they moved to Salagramam. Then they moved to Tondanur. This is how they were moving towards the interior. That is, they are reaching Karnataka. So now they are moving to the next village, Vanni Pushkarani. They visited that Brahmin's house. That lady was so happy to see them, and she was preparing food for them, and she was mentioning about Ramanuja, and she said Ramanuja Sambandham, that is her connection with Ramanuja. Then the disciples were surprised to hear it from her, and they were just watching her. She prepared food and offered to God, and when she offered to God, she opened a box and offered food, and they explained this to the Acharya Ramanuja, and Ramanuja also asked what could have been in that box. Then they found out from the lady that it was Padukas. Then they asked that lady. That lady was Kongil Piratiyar. She stayed in Tiruvarangam when there was a famine in the place now where she is living. So they moved to, both husband and wife moved to Tiruvarangam and stayed there for some time. During her stay, she used to visit Ramanuja's Tirumalagai, and every day she used to wait outside, and she would be listening to Ramanuja's explanation, speech. And the day she left Tiruvarangam, because after knowing that the situation improved, she she got permission to visit Ramanuja, and she spoke to him, and she said, "I am leaving, so please give me something as your remembrance." And she got the Paduka of Ramanuja. That is what she is having. She has been doing puja for that. So that much of devotion she had on Ramanuja. So she revealed that, her stay at Tiruvarangam, and how she was connected to Ramanuja. Then they were all happy to hear all this. Then they asked her, can you, because Ramanuja was in white clothes, she was not like sannyasi, so she couldn't find, she couldn't make out. So now the disciples asked her, can you recognize, can you find out Ramanuja here in this group? Then she said, yes, I can. Then she took out the padukas and went to everybody and looked at their feet. And when she came to Ramanuja's place, she immediately said, this paduka belongs to these feet. So he is only Ramanuja. Then she was so happy, she felt she was very fortunate to get this opportunity. And they all left that place after having food. Then they moved towards Salagramam. And Salagramam, there was another devotee waiting. He was Andrapurnar. That Andrapurnar, who was a bachelor, who was a very orthodox man, and he was very religious man, and he became the disciple of Ramanuja, and his name was changed to Vaduganambi. And Vaduganambi, both Vaduganambi and Ramanuja, they liked each other very much, and there was Vaduganambi showed lots and lots of respect and devotion to Ramanuja, and there was exchange of love between them. And he said, I will also come with you. So he also moved with them to the next place, so that is Tondanur. Now they are all moving towards Tondanur. Ramanuja and his disciples reached Tondanur. They stayed there for some time. There was a huge lake created by Ramanuja for the public use. And Ramanuja was carrying on his work there. The king of that area had a daughter. The daughter was suffering from an evil spirit. So he called he was the follower of Jainism. So he called all the monks to drive away the spirit. They tried, but nothing could be done. Then Ramanuja did it. He could drive away the spirit. So the king was very much impressed, and he liked Ramanuja's philosophy. So he became a Sri Vaishnavite. And the king's name was Vittaladevar. Now, after he became a Sri Vaishnavite, his name was Vishnuvardhan. And he was ready to do anything for Ramanuja and Sri Vaishnavism. So they were spending their time there, and Ramanuja was running short of Thiruman, what he applies on his forehead. So he was in search of that. Then God appeared in his dream and said, yes, you come near the Yadugiri. There was a mountain just opposite the place where he was staying. So that mountain was named as Yadugiri. So he said, you come up the Yadugiri mountain. There you will see a Pushkarani, and near that Pushkarani you can find the place where you can get that Thirumal. That is in the form of chalk. So he is taking the help of king and moving towards that place. Ramanuja reached that Kallani Pushkarani, and there he found a Tiruthodai tree, Tulsi plant. And under the tree he found a huge anthill. He removed all the sand, and he found Vigraham of Tirunarana Perumal. And he was reminded of Nammalvar. Nammalvar sang the Pasuram Tirunaranthal Kalam Pera Chindithu Vimino. So Ramanuja sang that song Pasuram now, and he held the feet of the Vigraham, because now Nammalvar taught this. If you want to cross this samsaram, the sea of samsaram, you have to catch hold of the holy feet of Perumal. So Ramanuja was doing that now, and he was he devoted that song to, that Pasuram to Perumal. Then the Vigraham was taken out, and Ramanuja made a plan to install that Pradishthai, install that Vigraham in the temple. So the temple was rebuilt, and he appointed 52 Sri Vaishnavas to carry on the Kaingaryam, to carry on the work in the temple. The mountain which was named Yadugiri or Yadavatri is now called Melkottai. So you have this Tirunarana Perumal Kovil in Melkottai. It is also called Tirunarayanapuram. So Ramanuja stayed here for a long time, and he did his Kaingaryam to this Perumal.